Good morning, grade 5. Welcome back to grade 5 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? We'll start a new chapter today, chapter 15, problem solving skills. So the ability to solve problems is a basic life skill which is essential in our day-to-day lives. And just like any other skill, the more we practice it, the better we get at it. And we solve problems every single day without even realizing how we solve them. At home, at school, at work. For example, one day your parents are not home. You are feeling hungry. What would you do? You'd cook something yourself. Or you might ask a friend or relative to prepare and give you some food. You may even order food from outside. You see, there are different solutions to the same problem. And you see, different people solve problems differently. And there are various methods or strategies used in problem solving. So what do you mean by problem solving? The process of identifying a problem, developing possible solution paths, and taking the appropriate course of action is called problem solving. And you see, there are different strategies or methods used in problem solving. The two basic strategies used in problem solving are called Algorithmic Strategies and Heuristic Strategies. What do you mean by Algorithmic Strategies? The traditional step-by-step guide to solve problems is called Algorithmic Strategies, and these are great in solving math problems, and they also help us to remember the correct order of things. And Algorithmic Strategies work the best when there is a single path to the exact solution. So you can say Algorithmic Strategies give you the best or optimal solution to a problem. And what about heuristic strategies? So these are the general trial and error methods of problem solving. Heuristic strategies are fast and shortcut methods to solve a problem. They may not give you the best or optimal solution, but will be practical. So one of the most popular and common methods used among heuristic strategies is called IDEAL, I-D-E-A-L. It stands for I for identifying the problem. First you identify the problem, then D, define the problem. You define the problem or define the goal. What should be found out from the problem. And E stands for exploring the strategies. You explore the various methods and ways to solve the given problem. And A stands for action or acting on the strategies. You are carrying out your strategy or you are carrying out your plan to solve this problem. And L stands for look back, or you look at the effects or you look at the answer and check your answer using various methods. So in general, any problem solving method can be defined in 4 steps. Step 1, understand the problem. Step 2, devise a strategy. Step 3, carry out your plan. And step 4, check your answer. So what do you mean by understand the problem? Let me tell you a simple example. We have done word problems in maths. So when you get a word problem, what is the first thing you have to do? You will read the word problem very carefully. Then you'll try to understand what all things are given within the question and what should be found out from the question. What solution is to be found out. Then you will identify the information which are relevant to solve the question, the word problem. So first you analyze the given word problem or analyze the given problem and understand what has to be found out from the word problem or the question or the problem. So that is your first step. In the next step, you'll devise a strategy or you'll find a way to solve this problem. You may write steps, you may draw pictures or diagrams or flowcharts, you may make some lists or you may make some tables. You will find a way to solve this problem. So that means you're devising a strategy or a plan to solve this problem. So first you analyzed, then you made a plan. Now the third step, you'll carry out your plan, which means you will work out your strategy or you'll work out your plan to solve this problem. Like when you do all the calculations methodically and carefully, you're carrying out your plan or you're carrying out your strategy to solve the problem. So you analyzed, you made a plan and you implemented that plan. Now what is the fourth step? In the final step, you will check your answer. You'll check your answer using the various methods that you have learned to see if the answer is correct. For example, if you are doing division, how would you check if you have done the division correctly? You may multiply the quotient and the divisor, add the product to the remainder and see if you get the dividend. So you have learned that method to verify your answer during a division calculation. So that is one method of checking your answer. So similarly, you might have learned different methods to check different types of calculations. So just like that, the fourth step in any problem solving is checking your answer. So first, you analyze or understand the problem. Then, you'll devise a strategy or make a plan to solve the problem. Then, you'll solve the problem or carry out your plan or strategy. And in the final step, you'll check your answer. So you understand, plan, solve and check. 4 steps. These are the general 4 steps in any method of problem solving or in any strategy used in problem solving. So children, just give it a thinking. In which all different ways we solve problems every day. Good problem solving skills are crucial and essential in our personal life as well as in our professional lives. So children, just think about it. And all of you please go through the Let's Recall page, that is page number 210. So that's all for today. In the next class, we'll discuss about the various strategies used in problem solving. So see you all in the next class. Till then, bye.